So friends, self-driving car are an example of AI in transportation. They aim to reduce accident caused by human error. So I think it reduces the chances of traffic violation and human casualties. Would you like to say something here?
Yes, friends, I would like to say something. Artificial intelligence refer to the development of program and computer which require human intelligence such as data analyzing, learning and other knowledge. Would you like to say something, my dear friend?
Yes, friends, I would like to say something here. In my opinion, as we know that technology increases day by day, and AI has a big role in increasing technology. We can learn from it. If we have any questions, we can search in AI and found the answer in 1 second. So AI is very good for us. So would you like to
Yes,
say
friends, I
something?
would like to say something here. Friends, as we all know that this is the era of AI. The full form of AI is artificial intelligence. Friends, there are many types of cars. There are using automatic things like would you like to say something, friends?
Yes, my friend, I would like to say something here. As we know that AI is very useful for us because as we can see that we are going towards developing and AI is very useful for us. By AI we can do many things and it helps our programming, it helps in many things, it make our learning easier. Would you like to say
Yes,
something?
friends, I would like to say something. Friends, as we know that artificial intelligence means the ability of computer or machines behave intelligently like human traits. There are more examples of artificial intelligence like driverless cars, interpretation of human speech, and decoding the complex data. And also there are many inventions of voice assistants by the using of artificial intelligence which can make shoppings, phone calls. Would you like to say something?
Yes, friends, I would like to say something here. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of machines, computer programs, and that can perform tasks require human intelligence like reasoning, problem solving, education, etc. And it has number of personal informations like. Would you like to say
Yes,
something?
friend, I would like to say something. Friend, that is the point that you carry on. So I was saying that artificial intelligence has many benefits, and it is very and due to artificial intelligence, due to artificial intelligence, accidents are reduced because if our government also set certain machine on highways, if people increase the speed, then challan is automatically cut. So if people maintain the speed, then accident is always reduce. So would like to
Yes, friends, I would like to say something. Here, in my opinion, AI refers to artificial intelligence, and then AI is everywhere. And as we know that AI is development like computers, and AI is everywhere, and AI is healthcare. Would you like to say
Yes,
something?
friend, I would like to say something, my dear friend. In my view, AI refers to electronic device, mobile phone, computer earphone, and friends has been noted AI very useful our banking and defense field and police sector and many government sector useful. Friends has been noted AI help study learning students which is future development. Friends has been noted e-learning government employee very useful. Would you like to say something, my dear friends?
I would like to say something here. As we know that friend AI saves the time and set us accuracy. If we talk about hospitals, AI helps the doctor to diagnose the disease, and in factories, robots are powered by AI to do their work efficiently. When we watch YouTube and other social media things, AI help them suggest videos which we have interested, and even we shopping online, AI recommends the product which we might like to use.
Yes, my friend, I want to say something. Friends, I think that AI is very good for us because when a crime happens, that time we can't recognize the face of the person who crime that. And by the help of AI, we can easily recognize the face of the criminal. And it is also help for us. And I think that is very good when a person do something and by chance the error happened. And that time AI helps to the person who can AI helps the person to solve this problem. So would you like to say something?
Yes, friends, I would like to say something. Self-driving cars are also example of artificial intelligence in transportation. They aim to reduce accidents caused by human errors, and AI power navigation system like Google Map which make travel traveling more convenient. Would you like to say something?
Yes, friend, I would like to say something here. AI is everywhere. Even we watch mobile. AI suggests video based on your interest, and even when we shop online, AI recommends us products we might like. So AI making our lives easier. Would you like to say something?
Yes,
here,
my friend, I would like to say something. Friend, as you know that AI has many benefits. We can talk any person, doesn't matter how far it is. And my dear friend, I think AI has many benefits, like especially for students, because if students have any doubt, then they go for ChatGPT or Google. But my dear friend, I think that ChatGPT also increases pollution, because ChatGPT consumes more light as compared to Google. So I think we every small things will not go there for ChatGPT. So I think. This is small step are reduce pollution, and so would like to say something.
Yes, friends, I would like to say something. Friends, as we know that artificial intelligence is used for human betterment, but it is also the reason of degradation. It invents many destructive weapons. If it falls in wrong hands, it leads so much degradation. So I think there are some limits on artificial intelligence. Would you like to say
Yes,
something?
friend, I
friends?
would like to say something here. Artificial intelligence play an important role in entertainment. Has play an important role in entertainment because AI-powered system can analyze everything by the behavior of user to provide a personal recommendation for TV shows, movies, serials, etc. So would you like to
Yes,
say
my friend,
something?
I would like to say something here. As we can see, AI make our work easier. When we use AI, we can do our work within a second or within a minute, because it provides us many facilities. Like whenever we think about anything, they recommend that when we shop, they recommend that kind of clothes or that kind of things. When we watch movies or when we watch videos, they recommend us what according to our likes. So it is very useful. Would you like to?
Yes, friends, I would like to say something here. As we know that AI is useful in different types. If we talk about business perspective, it is very helpful for us. If suppose friends you are blogger and you want to write a post, then you use AI, and AI can give you long posts. So AI is very good for bloggers. So would you like to say something?
Friends, there are many traffic police officers. With the help of AI, we can less burden of the police officers, because there are many types of machines that can get automatically challan. And friends, for the students, AI is very beneficial. Like they can get any type of information from AI, and the project they can get from internet. So friends, would you like to say something?
Yes, friends, I would like to say something. AI is many benefits